What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to a new video. I just want to start off this video by saying thanks to all the new subscribers, and I appreciate all the comments and love and support you guys are giving, and also any messages I do appreciate to my Instagram. I'm more than willing to help you guys with any questions for these cars, and I try my best. To the best of my knowledge, I help you guys, or I recommend you to any person that I think would know, and I've seen that has helped me. Today, I just have a quick video, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna go get some lunch and take the car out for a drive. Pretty interesting day. We just had an earthquake this morning, 4.5 magnitude, I think.
Now, no damage. There's no damage, right?
No, definitely no damage. What struck me was how long it lasted. Long enough for me to go through all these thought processes of, hey, it must be wind. Oh, no, maybe it's mechanical in the house. To get out of my bed, in my pajamas, run downstairs and see the plants swinging back and forth. I don't know, 25 seconds maybe?
It's probably the first earthquake I've ever felt, really. Here in New Jersey, we don't really get earthquakes like that, but it was long enough for me to realize that I had to just get up and step out of the house. I have parts coming in which are extremely delayed. My bucket seats are now delayed till 5/25, I think it is. Also a few meets coming up. I'll do a video on that. I just went to the New York Auto Show. I'll post a clip on that. One of them, my favorite cars that I saw there. All right, guys, I was gonna put this head mount on my head. It's not the best. I'll put in a clip of how it looks. I don't think it looks that good. So I'm just gonna put you guys here on the side on the passenger seat. I need to invest in a GoPro, really, because my phone is excuse me, my phone is way too heavy to have on my head. This video is gonna be bouncy. I can feel this camera bouncing back and forth on my forehead. It's probably because the camera's too heavy. I'm using my phone, if you guys can see. I need to get a GoPro. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're bouncing. Yep. It's a weekday, so I don't think we'll see any cool cars out. Traffic here sucks. Don't know if my clutch is slipping or if it's just part of the dampening system. This car has like a clutch dampening system, which it's like a little valve that's in the front there that I have to delete. But I'm not sure if it's that or if it's the clutch. But if I'm gonna delete that and bleed the clutch, I might as well replace the clutch also, because it shifts pretty well. And looks like there is a bald eagle right here. Guys, oh my lord. I have never seen a bald eagle in person. This is crazy. It seems to be right here, so I'm gonna step out real quick. Animal channel content there. Yeah, today's been an interesting day for sure. So first there's a earthquake in New Jersey, and then there's a bald eagle flying right next to me, which is also rare to see. You never see bald eagles up here. So interesting day for sure. Happy I went out for a drive. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the drive as well. And hopefully my microphone's working. That's another thing that I have to worry about now.
That shit is fucking trash.
This car drives so good. I love it. I always feel like people always go for big horsepower and high horsepower. And honestly, like, I enjoy this car the way it is with stock 5-speed. Like, yeah, it's slow, but I'm able to actually like use all of it. I want to encourage anyone that's out there who has one of these stocks, just go out on a drive with it and just enjoy it a bit more, especially if it's a manual car. I mean, even automatics also fun. I used to have an automatic before this one. Oh, there's a GTR on the other side. Not sure if you guys heard that. That's nice. Oh, there's a cop. Gonna look this way. Not that I'm doing anything bad, but I don't have a front plate or inspection sticker. So the only way for them to catch you is if they're in front of you, looking at you. So, oh, there's a little tight here. There you go. And we are here, Sarku, Japan. So let me pull up real quick. Oh.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, lunch is secured. Also, if you guys have any recommendations for um like what GoPro do I get, right? Like for a head mount, like a small one. There's a bunch of different ones. Like if you guys, anyways, you guys know what I mean. If you guys have any recommendations for like a camera for good content, records in 4K, put in the description down below. I'll check them out. Oh, look at this. Nice 735. It's cool. Nice and old school. There's an S7 there too. Audi S7. Also unreliable. I used to have an S6 before the M4. Quick little story. It blew the engine. I took it to the dealership. They couldn't fix it. It was there for over a year. I had one of the loaners for over a year. They told me it was ready. I went to go pick it up. The car was still in pieces, and the general manager that was there that was helping me out quit, disappeared. And it turns out that he was just stealing money from the warranty claims, I guess, or however that works, and not putting the work into my car. So my car had to get transferred from New York to New Jersey to another dealership where they fixed it, and it broke down again. Once I got it back, the turbos went, and they bought it back for me, and that's how I got the M4. So, got out of debt and got an M4 out of it. Look at this. Look at this. This is always a mess here. First of all, this turns into one lane, but this guy doesn't know what he's doing. So now he's just gonna brake really hard. Everyone's trying to go into this next lane over, because this is the exit here. Now he's gonna brake hard again. There's a CRV behind me blasting music, if you guys could hear that. And the way this car turns too is so good. Look at this. I really want to take this car to the track, but I think the closest track to me would be Lime Rock. I'm trying to see if that bald eagle still around. Passing by it right now, or I saw it before. Don't think so though. The size of that thing is insane. You can't even imagine the size of it until you see it in person. It's crazy. No diddy. Yeah, nothing but traffic here. This is the reason why I don't really go out on drives. If you want to go out on a drive here with no traffic, you really just have to be outside at like 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. There's no such thing as rush hour here. Every time is rush hour. Say it's mostly busy during 5 and something. I feel like no matter what time I'm out, it's the exact same. I think that's outside so you can get a view of the car. That's how they're supposed to be making all new buildings here, I think. But check this out. You can see the Freedom Tower there in New York City. All right, let's see. All right, guys, back in the garage, back home, and I was kind of going back through the footage, and oh my god, I'm so mad because that microphone I was using completely sucks, and I regret using it so much. You guys are here at the end of the video. I appreciate you guys so much. Again, can't thank you guys enough for all the love and support. So if you guys are here to the end and you guys like the video, please leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel, as it helps me out and it helps out the channel. I guess, you know, this is supposed to go on your forehead, but this thing is way too high, first of all. Like, you guys can't even see outside. This one's fucking heavy, man, carrying it on my forehead. So I'm just gonna do the strip here. I'm gonna turn it off. But yeah, let's see what this thing can do. Yeah, if you heard it there, the clutch slips a little bit. It needs a new clutch, unfortunately, but should be coming soon. I don't know if it's the clutch slipping or the clutch dampener that's messing it up. But all right, here we're in traffic, so I'm gonna cut the camera off here. Thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.